It's Yvonne de Celis. It is Wednesday, July 31st, and it's just a little after 7 p.m. I'm here to do a quick energy healing video. This is for a friend of mine. I did this video very recently. This is the Crosscrawl. I'm going to do it seated, and I'm going to try to do it standing as well, as best as I can fit it into this camera. But this is for a friend of mine who said she was able to watch the video, but the sound was cutting in and out, and I think that might be because of my current volume solution that I thought was working. It's a little unattached microphone that I can put on my collar, and it doesn't seem to work very well, so I hope you don't mind this for now. I'm going to use it. I'll try to find a solution soon, but until then I'll be using these. Hope you don't mind. Anyway, here we go. Crosscrawl. The point of the crosscrawl is to get your energies crisscrossed. Your energy should be around you, but crisscross, kind of like a DNA strand. Think of the X of the DNA strand. It shouldn't be this way, so we're just repatterning our energies with this exercise. You can do this exercise standing, seated, or lying down. I've seen it standing quite frequently, and I will do it standing, but I want to show you how to do it seated too. I'm going to do the standing first, and I'm going to stand for this. You do not have to. This is just so you can see how to do it standing. This is what I mean when I say exaggerated march. You're literally bringing your knees up, and you don't have to hit them with your arms, but you're bringing your arms down so that you're crisscrossing your energies. And it'll probably make more sense when I'm seated because I'll be fitting in frame this way. And I apologize again, this isn't really the best camera view ever. I just want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. So you can do this seated as well. You're just bringing your arms to your knees, going side to side. So just think of it as you're pulling the energy down with your hands, pulling it down and then bringing up your legs to meet. And you're making your energies crisscross. And you just want to do this, I guess, just do it until it feels right. If it doesn't feel comfortable to you, if for some reason that energy doesn't feel comfortable, you do not have to do it. I, to be honest, do not do that one that frequently just because it doesn't really feel natural to me. The one that feels natural to me is to grab my shoulder, and you grab and just pull down to your hip. And then you go to the opposite shoulder, grab and pull down to the hip. I like this one better, personally, than the cross crawl, only because I don't really feel the shift when I do the cross crawl as much, probably because of all the pains in my lower back. But I did just want to show you guys that one, and I also wanted to show a friend of mine who said that the sound cut out for her. So I hope this one worked. I hope you were able to hear this one all the way through, and I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments down below. Please subscribe to my channel if you like. And I guess that's it for now. I'm going to try to come back the end of this week, but if I'm not back the end of this week, it'll be early next, and it's going to be a distance healing session, a Reiki distance healing session. Probably after one quick exercise I'll show you how to get rid of let go of negativity or negative energies that build up throughout the day. Anyway, thank you again for your time. Namaste, peace and love.